And good day, guys. So, ngayon, I'm going to be sharing with you my back office on Got Backup. So, dito nyo makikita how the business is progressing and why you should not miss it. So, we'll go to our members area. So, this is my back office. Pumasok na ako, nag-log in na ako, no? So, if you look to the left, let's go to my business. Okay, and then you will see there my downline. Okay. So, pagpasok dyan, you will see, okay, kala mo 8 people lang yan, okay, on my left, right? Hindi po yan 8 people. When I click here, show my full downline tree, my full downline tree has opened. It is already 27 people. It used to be 24, 25 yesterday, okay, on my left. Guys, a lot of those are only spillovers. Bakit? Paano kasi nagkaroon na yung momentum, yung binary matrix? So, with this, I already stand to make 6 cycles. Okay, so right now the conversion is between $8 to $12 per cycle. Okay, so I could be making 6 times $8, $48 a month. That is already 3,000 pesos a month income, guys. So that's how powerful this business is. Okay, or 2,500 or something, di ba? So guys, imagine this. Ganon ang binubuo nating grupo on the right under Direct Jerome. So, guys, magsusweldo na. And right now, the promo of Got Backup is only $30 total, inclusive of your first month subscription for the terabyte space, no? 6 terabyte space. So, guys, habang hindi pa sweldo, pumosisyon na kayo and get yourself in position so that yung mga taong potential customers or resellers ninyo dito, ipasok nyo na, ipatabi nyo na yung $30 nila so that they can come in while it's still early. Okay, so we're building another power line under the right leg. My right leg, that's Jerome GBU 2023, di ba? So, Direct Jerome of TFC, he has a lot of OFW contacts. He also has a lot of media and other contacts, no? Guys, for the amount of $30, you are building your passive income. Why? Yung sa cycle pa lang, you'll be earning $8 per cycle. So if I have 4 people on my left and 2 people on my right, that's one cycle that's equivalent to $8 to $12. So dito, okay, when you build here, you will get spillovers from the top. Now, si Direct Jerome will only has one space left to his right or left, no? So what happens there? Pag nagkaroon ng yung taong mapupunta doon, okay, that's connected directly to Direct Jerome, both Direct Jerome and I will be spilling over from our lines, okay, from our own contacts in Dubai, in Oman, in all the other OFW countries. We will be putting them under these because ano na lang yan eh. And then I'll also be putting on the left pero mas focus ako on the right because yan ang kailangan kong habulin na leg. So yun lang guys, this is again, another opportunity that we shouldn't miss. There was Bitcoin back in the day, 2010 and then 2020. If we got in that time, then, you know, lumalaki lang sana yung Bitcoin. But this has potentially much bigger chances because dito, imagine this, all of this, I will be earning binary matrix from this for life. As long as nakasubscribe sila, they're maintaining $10 a month, okay? And that means I will be getting that $8 per cycle per month, okay? So dito natin papakita yung isa pang magandang feature. When you go to, okay, internal wallet, you will see here, okay, pay my account subscriptions with my wallet balance. That means, pag nakapagpasok ka, pag meron kang income from your line, you no longer need to worry about missing paying in to Got Backup. So dito, automatic nang dinideduct sa wallet mo yung iyong monthly subscription. Guys, what does that mean? Wala ng mga tao, karamihan ng mga tao, hindi na mamimiss ang pag-pay in sa Got Backup. That means a sure pay in also or payout for you. Okay, that means monthly the $10 will be deducted from their wallets and it will be credited to you automatically within the system. So that's how powerful this business is, no? So again, guys, time to come in, time to accelerate on this because lalo tayong bumabagal, mawawala kayo sa Riles. So get on board already if you are not yet on board, and then position, and then we will work together. We're having future Zooms within this week, and then dalhin nyo na doon ang inyong mga potential prospects, no? So, people just need to understand how this business works. Okay? Napakasulit ng 6 terabytes for $10 a month. You can share it with 6 people. Uh, ano pa? Yung passive income potential dito napakalaki. Okay? $8 one cycle, that's already that's already 500 pesos, guys. So napakalaki ng potential nito. So do not miss this opportunity. This is running, and then pag naka-recruit ka pa, magkano ngayon? $30, di ba? Sa'yo yung $20 doon. Okay? Yung $20 doon, that's effectively 1,100 pesos. Thus goes to you as the sponsor of that person that came in. If you put in 10 people, that's an extra 11,000 pesos that month. Di ba? So, what if nag-multiply yan, nag-10 times 10 times 10? Di ba? Because dito, this is a common sense business, guys. Okay, for a one-time sacrifice of $30, hindi nga sacrifice yun eh, di ba? For a lot of us. So, $30 and then maka-close ka lang ng tatlo, bawi mo na. Hindi, actually, dalawa lang na taong ma-close mo, $40 na ang commission mo doon. Bawi mo na yung $30 mo. So guys, this is an unprecedented, powerful opportunity that you should not miss. This is not a scam. GBU is already an established company, and matagal na sila, no? And if you can see the people who are running this, the people who are also doing well with this, they're already earning $2,000, $8,000, $14,000, 20,000 plus dollars per month. Guys, sa kanila mababa lang yung $20,000. Hindi ka pa million dollar round table. Okay? And already since opening, some people have already earned around $300,000 total accumulated income since late April opening. Kaka-open lang nito ng April. So guys, don't miss this. Magsusweldo na. Again, I stress, talk with the people that you wanna bring in here. Mabe-bless sila. If you have relatives that you want to bless, this is very, very, hindi ito negosyong pangtamad. We don't want to encourage people na magtamad dito because that will slow down our progress also, no? Pero one thing I can guarantee, kung lahat tayo magsipag within the next 2, 3, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, this will give a result for us na imagine passive income. As long as all of the people, thousands of people under you are maintaining those $10, you're sure to get your cycle and check matching bonuses. So yun lang guys. This is something that we have to take seriously. Okay? Kung seryoso ka dito, then kung naintindihan mo, then let's run together. So yun lang guys. God bless. Have a blessed week guys. Papasok na again ang sweldo. Let's go.